Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to calculate HCF and LCM together. For example, 15, 45 and 105. 15 is factorized as 3 into 5. 45 is factorized as 3 into 3 into 5. And 105 is factorized as 3 into 5 into 7. HCF is a common prime factor. So the common prime factor is 3 and 5. So HCF is 3 into 5, that's 15. LCM is the least common multiple. So LCM is 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. That comes to 315. Now let us solve practice set 13. Find the HCF and LCM of the given number 46 and 51. 46 is factorized as 23 into 2 and 51 is factorized as 3 into 17. 46 and 51 does not have common factor. So the HCF is 1 and the LCM is 2 into 3 into 17 into 23. That comes up to 2346. The product of number, that is 46 and 51, is also 2346. Therefore, the product of HCF and LCM is same as the product of the number. One more sum. 78 and 104. 78 split into 2 into 3 into 13 and 104 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. The common factor is 2 and 13. So the HCF is 2 into 13, that's 26. And the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. That comes up to 312. The product of HCF and LCM, that is 26 and 312, it comes up to 8112. The product of the number 78 and 104 is also 8112. Therefore, product of HCF and LCM is same as the product of the number. Let's start practice set 14. Choose the right option. The HCF of 120 and 150 is 120 is factorized as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 and 150 factorized as 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So the HCF is 2 into 3 into 5. That comes up to 30. So the option 1 is the right answer. The second question, the HCF of this pair of number is not 1. The answer is 20. Because the rest all pair does not have common factor. Hence the HCF is 1. But 40 and 20 has common factors 2, 2 and 5. Hence the HCF is 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20. Question number 2 and 3 solve from your end. Let's solve the fourth sum. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. 8 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 2. 9 can be factorized as 3 into 3. 10 can be factorized as 2 into 5. 15 can be factorized as 3 into 5. 20 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 5. Therefore, the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That comes to 360. Remainder in each case is 5. So we consider 5. The required smallest number is 360 plus 5, that is 365. Let's solve the next sum. Reduce the fraction 348 upon 319 to the lowest term. 348 gets divided by 319 and the remainder is 29. In the next step, 319 gets divided by 29. It can't be further divided. Therefore, the HCF is 29. 348 is split into 29 into 12 and 319 is split into 29 into 11. The common number between 348 and 319 is 29. So we'll remove 29 and the answer is 12 upon 11. For homework, solve practice set 13 Roman 2 times and practice set 14 Roman 1 to 5 2 times. Thank you.